Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what? Height and distance. And dear students, in previous class we take and solve some important question based on height and distance. Now in today's class we are also going to take and solve some other important questions related to height and distance and simplify them. Now we take a very important question based on height and distance. So please concentrate on this question. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. This is the very important questions, okay? And your question is the angles of elevation the angles the angles of elevation of the top of a tower of the top the top of the top of a tower from 2 points from 2 points from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower the base of from the base of the tower, okay, and in the same straight line and in the same straight line with it are complementary with it are complementary find the height of the tower height of find the height of the tower. So dear student, this is the one of the most important questions of your syllabus, so please concentrate on this question, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, let's see. Dear friends, here the angle of elevation, okay, here the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary to each other. So dear student, first of all we draw a horizontal surface and let us say AB be the height of the tower and let the height of the tower be h meter. Let the height of the tower be h meter. Okay. Now let us take two points C and D which are at a distance of 9 meter and 4 meter respectively. Here this is 4 meter and the distance from A to point C is what? 9 meter respectively. Dear students, from these two points C and D, the angle of elevation is to be what? Are complementary to each other. So in this way, first of all, now look, if we take that angle is theta, then other is 90 minus theta, then other is 90 minus theta, because of, you know that dear friends, if the sum of measures of two angles be 90 degrees, so it is complementary to each other. So let us take, let angle BCA is equal to theta, that is angle BDA is equal to 90 minus theta, because of these are complementary to each other. Because of these are complementary to each other. Okay, dear friends. Now, let L be the height of the tower. Let H be the height of the tower. Now, in triangle BCA, we apply the tangent rule. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is AB and base is AC. So now from there, this is tan theta is equal to AB is what? H upon base AC is what? 9. Take equation number 1. So in this way, first of all, we take triangle BCA and from this triangle we find a relation tan theta is equal to H upon 9. Okay, now we take triangle BDA. Now in triangle BD, again we apply the tangent rule. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to perpendicular, that is H, and base, that is 4, that is H upon 4. And we know that tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. So here we can write cot theta is equal to H upon 4. We take equation number 2. Now we find the value of H, means we find the height of the tower. Now we multiply equation 1 and 2. Now equation 1 multiplied by equation 2, so we get tan theta into cot theta is equal to H upon 9 into H upon 4, and tan theta is 1 upon cot theta, and this is cot theta. 1 upon 9 fours are, this is H square upon 36. Now cot cancel to each other. So from there, dear student, so H square is equal to 36 ones are 36. So that is H is equal to under root 36, and you know that the square root of And you know that the square root of 36 is what? 6. So this is 6 meter. Thus, height of the tower, this is AB is equal to H is equal to 6 meter. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. So dear students, in this way you can solve that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important question based on the topic height and distance. This is very important question. Okay. we take a very important question of your syllabus, and the question is from a window from a window 15 meters high above the ground, 15 meters high above the ground in a street, in a street, comma, the angle of elevation and depression, the angle of elevation and depression, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and the foot of the top and the foot of another house of another house on the opposite side of the opposite side of the street are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the opposite house. Find the height of the opposite house. Find the height of the opposite house is find the height of the opposite house, and you take the value of root 3 is 1.732. Okay, dear student, this is the question. Dear student, this is a very important questions related to that chapter, that is height and distance. So please concentrate on this question. This is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, now let's see. Look, from a window 15 meter high above the ground, first of all, we draw a horizontal surface. This is the street. Okay. Now, one house is that side and one house is that side on the street. This is the another house. This is the big house, and it's fine. Take as H, and that one is, let us take maybe C D. D is the position of the window. Observer C at that point, on that position, from a window 15 meter high above the ground. From the ground, the height of that window is what? 15 meter is given according to question. We see observer C from that point, that window, and the angle of elevation and depression of the top and the foot of the another house. B be the top of the another house and A be the foot of the another house, which is situated at the opposite sides of the street in front of that house. Okay. Elevation is 30 degree. Okay. Now look, from there, we first of all we join them. We take point E. From the top, the angle of elevation is 30 degree and the depression foot of the house 45 degree. From there, this one is 45. Dear friend, this is 45, so this is also equal to 45 degree. This is also equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now, CD is equal to AE from figure, and let us take AC is equal to X meter. AC is same as D. This is also equal to that, and this is 50. So this is also equal to 50 meters. So this is the required figure. Okay. Now, let's see its solution. Let AB is equal to H meter, which we required, which we find here, and AC is equal to D is equal to X meter, we take as, and CD is equal to A, each equal to 15 meter respectively. Okay. Now look. First we take triangle BDE. Now in triangle BDE, dear student, this is 15 now, and hold we take as H. So this is what? H minus 15. This is what? H minus 15. In triangle BD, 10, 30, because the perpendicular base coming tangent. So 10 perpendicular is what? H minus 15. Base is what? D, that is X. Now the value of 10, 30 is what? 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equal to X. Now we do the cross multiplication, that is X is equal to H minus 15. We take equation number first. Okay. Now we again take the triangle DAC. Okay, look. Now again in triangle DAC, we apply the tangent rule. Look, so according to that concept, so this is 10, 45 degree. Perpendicular is what? CD. Base is what? AC. Okay. And dear student, you know that CD is what? 15 meter. This is the height of the window from the surface of the earth, which is equal to what? 15 meter upon AC was X. That is, we put as X. Now you know that the value of 1045 is what? 1. So that is, this implies that 1 is equal to 15 upon X. that is x is equal to 15 meter. We take equation number first. X is equal to 15 meter. Now what I do? Now using equation 1 and 2. Now using equation 1 and 2, now using equation 1 and 2, this is 2, this is 2 equation, okay. Now we just put the value of x in equation first. 15 now we simplify them. Minus 15 root 3. Now look. Okay. Now from there, just a minute. Now from there, we do the rationalization. That is 15 root 3 upon 3, 3 5 the 15. So that is h is equal to 15, sorry, h minus 15 is equal to 5 root 3 is there. 5 root 3 is there na? Now we transfer that side. Now look. So h is equal to 5 root 3 minus transfer that side plus 15. Now we have the value of, in that question the value of root 3 is given, that is 1.732. so now just we put the value. Plus 15. Now 8 8.66 plus 5. Now we adding them, so 15 plus 8.660 is equal to 23.660. That is 23 meter. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, students, so in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. This is the very important question, and according to that question, you can solve so many questions of your NCERT exercise based on height and distance. First, dear student, you do more and more practices each and every question which we discuss in that class and also in previous classes. In that question, first of all, we take triangle BDE and we apply the tangent rule. Okay, that is tan 30 is equal to perpendicular upon base. After that, we form equation 1. After that, we take triangle DAC, and after taking triangle DAC, we again apply the tangent rule, and from the help of these two equations, we simplify that question. Okay, so this is very important question for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, so please do more and more practices, dear students. Now, this in next class we take and solve the same chapters, and in next class we take some other important questions of the height and distance. Okay, so first we revise and solve the NCERT